Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. AGIX continues to be in this WXY correction. That is currently my primary wave count. We're talking about a wave 1 top, which was made here around early in February. We then came down in a 3-wave move, which is a corrective pattern in a wave W. We moved up in what I count as an X wave, and we're now coming down in a Y wave. That Y wave consists of an A, B, C structure. That at least is at the moment my primary wave count. And yesterday's small spike might have been the last spike in this decline. I mean, let me just move that down. Again, it's not possible to say that for sure, but if I'm looking at the sub-wave structure, I will, by the way, go to the 4-hour chart. So then, if I add the sub-wave count, I have here a possible wave 1, a wave 2, 3, 4, and one more wave down is certainly possible. Yesterday's wave 4 might have, yesterday's high might have been the top of this wave 4. Yeah, this can always extend out a little bit higher, but at the moment the move up looks corrective. So as you can see here, very much like a 3-wave structure. It looks as if a top was made here, but it would need to break below the, is it Monday? Yeah. Monday's swing low at 22.9 cents to confirm that we are in the 5th wave down. Next really relevant Fibonacci support is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level at 17.8 cents. I wouldn't be surprised to see that, to get there. Obviously, yeah, if we say we are now in this correction, I mean, let's go to the daily chart. What do we see on the daily chart in terms of the indicators? Yeah? On the indicators, we can see that negative momentum is already reducing here. It's too early to say this is a proper turnaround, but negative momentum is already reducing, which indicates that we're getting towards this end, the end of this decline. Yeah, we have a very strong reading. We are on the oversold range at the moment. Yeah. Which is normally indicative of some kind of a low that could happen. Of course, really only useful in an uptrend, and we should be in an uptrend, yeah, with that wave 1 to the upside, the wave 2 to the downside. Bear in mind, this is obviously the first impulse, and this is the first proper correction. So this is really where the bulls need to confirm that we are in an uptrend, yeah, because just 5 waves up as we had them into February is not enough to confirm an uptrend. We always need a higher low. There is currently no indication we have bottomed here, so just be aware of that. Yeah, there's no indication we have bottomed. So at the moment the trend is still down in the short term, but we are oversold now on the daily time frame. Yeah, again, that is indicative of some kind of a low that could be in place here shortly, at least. Yeah, not yet, shortly. In addition to that, a 3rd wave is often the strongest reading. So we have a very strong reading here on the RSI that would be rather confirm my view here at the moment. On the 4-hour chart, I think, you know, what we might try to do, let's see if we can add a trend line here. They can sometimes be really useful, at least to get an understanding, and we have 3 touch points here, to get an understanding when this downtrend is over. So if we now see a break above this trend line, yeah, that could be a first indication that this overall correction is finished. At least it's a first indication. Yeah, so pay attention to that trend line, and then I would pay attention to that next Fibonacci support level at 17.3 cents. Okay, that's my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.